Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Before we continue with the purpose of the program, as you can see, Vice Mayor Ani Lacuna is on my right side, and Majority Floor Leader Councilor Joel Chua on my left. On my left is Councilor Joel Chua, Majority Floor Leader of the City Council, and the members of the City Council. On behalf of the city, we would like to welcome the Chairman of Standing Committee of Zhejiang Municipal People's Congress, Ms. Jing Feng. Hi. Welcome to the capital of the country, Manila. With her is Ms. Xiao Hong Li. I hope I pronounce it right. Because the only Chinese word that I know is Lea Levi Pa Kosing Gaulo. We have a colloquial way of doing it. Lea Levi Pa Kosing Gaulo. Parang French. Ale, pabiling singkul lugaw. Para malaman niyo. And of course, Mr. Xiao Shun Gu. Now, Ms. Xiao Hongli is the Director of the Office of Standing Committee of Zhejiang Municipal People's Congress, and Mr. Xiao Shun Gu is Chairman of the Standing Committee of Rizhang City People's Congress, and Mr. King Wan, Section Chief of Rizhang Foreign Affairs, and the community members of our the other side of the river from this building, which is what we call the Binondo community, the Filipino Business Club, Chinese Filipino Business Club Incorporated, and all its officers, headed by Ms. Cynthia P. Go, our Secretary General. Welcome. Good thing that you're here. It's very timely because one of our commitment during the past months is going to be fulfilled today. And you're going to witness it because you witnessed me telling you this. And I was given a chance and opportunity to be before you during the campaign proper. So, please, maririnig kayo ngayon. And the other half of it, may awan Diyos, malay nyo, next week naman. Yung pangako ko sa inyo, September. July ko lang. Ang bilis ng Vice Mayor eh. Sakto pa. Nagka-downtown din yung majority floor leader. And of course, in terms of the City Council. Because this type of programs, long-term program, needs enabling law. So anyway, welcome today to our the people of Manila. Last week, we just approved and signed and to be implemented on January. The allowances for pension allowances for our senior citizen. Kaya ng senior sa iyo dito, no? Wala. Malapit na naman. Oo, malapit na, sir. Malapit na. Oo. We're going to implement that come January. At the same time, the council, the city council, approved also to give assistance, a pension also, for our PWDs and single mother, or single parent or solo parent. Another law was passed last week giving allowances for our K-12 or grade 12 students. But if I may refresh your mind, the only commitment that we had with you or said is allowance for senior citizen. Hindi included the solo parent, hindi included ang PWDs. Pero sinama namin dahil sa pag-aaral namin. Makatulong man lang ang pamahalang lungsod sa buwan ng pangangailangan nila o tustusin. Then we made a promise and commitment that we're going to extend allowances for PLM students and UDM students. Pero mas nauna yung hindi namin kinumit, which is the K-12, grade 12 students. They're going to get 500 pesos also January with a fresh fund. You know, I'm operating, just so you know, technically, I am operating on a budget based from the direction of the old administration. Because this is half year. So that you know, ilan naman yun. Nothing more, nothing less. So it has a different direction and we have another direction, which is tao muna. The concept of mamamayan muna. Mga taga Maynila muna. Bago kalsada. That direction. So, hopefully, may awa ang Diyos at sa tulong ninyo, sa tulong ng lahat, lalagpasan natin at matutupad natin yung mga pangarap natin sa mga mamayan ng Luzon na Maynila. Now, here we are. Again, I would like to thank recognize the Secretary to the Mayor. Now, Councilor Perniang, who used to be a member of the City Council, and Attorney Lutz MP, who is the Secretary to the Council. Now, I would like to thank again Vice Mayor Hani Lacuna, Majority Floor Leader Councilor Joel Chua. And the chairman of the Committee on Education, si Kusihan, saan ba si Princess? Si Princess Abante. And the members of the committee and the members of the City Council. Ngayon po, ang pipirmahan na po naman namin na bagong batas sa lungsod ng Maynila ay yung aming commitment sa PLM students and UDM students. An ordinance number 8568, an ordinance providing 1,000 pesos per month allowance to qualified students of the Pamantasan Luzon ng Maynila and Universidad de Manila. I would like to recognize the presence of the President of UDM, Atty. Maceda here. And former DSWD Secretary Leiko is now the President of Pamantasan Luzon ng Manila and its members of the faculty and the board. Now we're about to sign the said ordinance. Pirmado ka na. May arthritis ako.
Sa kape. Sa kape.
PLM student, UDM student, mag-aaral kayo maigi ha. Sakit na kamay ko, pinirma na. Tapos gas na naman. Napakamahal na ballpen doon. Okay. Thank you, members of the City Council. Next. Next. Ito naman. So, puro students, no? Puro senior. And other members of the community. Now, isa sa inireklamo ng mamamayan ng lungsod ng Maynila. Oh, this is Secretary Leiko, now President of Pamantasan Luzon ng Maynila. He is my immediate boss when I was then part of the DSWD family as being Undersecretary. Thanks to President Rodrigo Roa Duterte for giving me a chance and an opportunity to help the country participate in this administration. But mabalik tayo, isa sa inireklamo ng mga tagalungsod ng Maynila ay ang mataas na amilyar. At dahil doon ay nagkaroon, ayon sa aming data, maraming mga kababayan natin hindi nakababayad ng amilyar. During the course of our discussion in public for 1 year. Almost 1 year. I was with the majority floor leader, Councilor Joel Chua, and the Vice Mayor, Annie Lacuna. During the course of discussion, yun ang mga issue ng mamamayan ng lungsod ng Maynila. Now, having said that, we made a commitment that we're going to lower the real property tax. It's now pending before our city legal to address it, and hindi lang namin gusto i-lower, but we wanted, in the city government, the Vice Mayor, Annie Lacuna, and members of the City Council, we want to give you ease or a chance to recover all citizens of Manila not to pay anymore penalties, surcharges, and interest. So today, we are about to sign a new law that will give you an opportunity to pay your obligation, just the principal obligation. Waive lahat ang penalty, surcharges, and interest ng lahat na may utang sa real property tax. Okay? So thank you again, Vice Mayor Annie Lacuna, Majority Floor Leader Joel Chua, and the Chairman of the Committee, Councilor E.J. Hison, and the members of the City Council. And if I may read, isang bilyon.
Lubo.
1 billion to. Initial assessment namin, 1 billion kagaangan na mararamdaman. Unti-unti ng daang-daan at milyong tao sa lungsod ng Maynila. Kaya yung milyon-milyon, yung daang-daang libo, yung pakoti-koti nun, 1 billion! But you know, the city is not into loaning or earning from the interest business. We are involved in people helping people business. So if I may say, Ordinance number 8566, an ordinance granting a general amnesty on all delinquent business taxes, real property taxes, regulatory fees, and other service charges. So pati negosyante, pwede na kayo sumuko. Wala na mag-i-inspection ng libro ninyo. Wala na kailangan italong libro. Bakit? In fact, this is the time for us to correct everything. And this is now your opportunity to correct what is written in your business book. So, huwag na kayo mag-alala. Baka mamaya may mga talongis dyan. Mag-iikot sa mga businesses nyo. Wala na po. We are now correcting everything. So there will be no discretion for any inspector or any members of the city treasury to go and check your books of account. Why? Pagpirma ko to, wala nang kahit anong violation ninyo. All you have to do is to pay what is due to the city. Not a single cent more, not a single cent less. And you will have this kind of atmosphere in yourself and in your business na wala na akong kaba na baka may bumisita sa tindahan ko mamaya. All you have to do is to show this ordinance. And I think Juan de la Cruz, hindi, total may kulang akong binayaran sa Maynila, magbabayad na lang ako. Total, hindi na ako ipe-penalize. So these are the things, the effects of this law. Napakamalas sa pool natin. Ito, puro toast gas eh.
Gastos na, sir.
Pero, alam mo yung principle of, I don't know if you understand this, no? This is what I believe personally. 1,000% times zero is still zero.
Zero. Yeah.
Tama mali?
Yes, sir.
Ayun lang to. Yun ang mga logic behind this. Para maramdaman naman ninyo, sino ba talaga totoo, sino hindi. Ng pagsasayos ng negosyo, ways, or pagbubura ng discretion. Because if we can eradicate discretion to any of us, then naturally, we will eradicate corruption. Kasi wala na ng discretion. There's nothing to fix. And this is already fixed. Next week, lowering taxes naman. Yeah, watch yours. Okay. Thank you.
这个是个房产税的情况。没交的不罚款，现在新交。等我待会儿。
会个吧，分成3年降下来。交了算了，不追了，不罚了。
现在去。
好了。
3月交的就不再追了，交的现在重新交在3月。
看下次。
Okay. Now, let's go to, before we go to the, this is very important. Sige. We would like to invite
好，在这里。
没有，
Jing Peng, Xiao Hongli, Xiao Shonggu, and Jiang Yuan. I would like to present something for you from the city of Manila. Please.
到后面，等下要送东西。哦，对对。
Miss Jing Peng, accept this small token. Accept this small token. Symbol of our appreciation. You dropping by the city and visiting the capital of the country. And this is the key to the city. Speaks of you are always welcome to the city of Manila 24 hours a day, 365 days a year, because you are you have now the key to the city. Thank you. Thank you. Luminis na raw ang Maynila. Yeah. One of these days, I'd love to visit you in your home country, hometown. Thank you. Okay, come here. There you go.
Okay.
Here. Okay, and there's another one. There's another one. This is a plate where the city hall and the flag of the country. The landmark of the city. Okay, thank you. Thank you for your appreciation. Product nila. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Tsaka. Black tea, maganda ba daw? Yes. Thank you. Thank you. Salamat. Seychelles. Gemini. Thank you. Thank you. Barbaro ako. May asawa na ako eh. Pinata ako eh. Kahit kalalagyan ka sa...
可以站在这里。好，1、2、3。好，谢谢。
Galing ka mag-Chinese eh. Photographer natin yan. Bernie, this is one more.
Mayor, tabi ko lang tabi yan.
Thank you. Next one. The Federation. Thank you. Thank you. The Federation. This is oh, Chinese, Doctora.
就不再见了，就不再见了。走吧，走吧，往哪儿走？不再谈了，不再谈了。走了，走了，我问了。
Excuse me.